How do you diagnose truck engine hissing from a vacuum leak? Imagine hearing a sudden hissing sound coming from your truck's engine and wondering what's causing it. That noise could be a sign of a vacuum leak, which can affect your truck's performance. Diagnosing this issue might seem tricky, but with a few simple steps, you can find out what's going on. First, start with a visual check. Open the hood and look at all the vacuum hoses and lines. Look for cracks, splits, or loose fittings. Pay close attention to hoses near the intake manifold, throttle body, brake booster, and the positive crankcase ventilation valve. These are common spots for leaks to develop. Next, with the engine running, listen carefully for a distinct hissing or whistling sound. This noise usually indicates escaping air from a leak. If you hear it, try to pinpoint where it's coming from. To be more certain, you can perform a smoke test. Use a smoke machine designed for automotive use and introduce smoke into the vacuum system. If there's a leak, the smoke will visibly escape from the damaged hose or crack. Another method involves spraying a small amount of carburetor cleaner or propane around suspected leak areas while the engine is idling. If the engine's idle speed changes or it stumbles, that's a sign the sprayed substance is being sucked into the engine through a leak. You can also connect a vacuum gauge to the intake manifold. Low or fluctuating vacuum readings suggest a leak is present. For trucks with electronic engine controls, scanning for error codes with an onboard diagnostic scanner can also help. Codes related to lean fuel mixtures or misfires often point to vacuum leaks. Once you locate the leak, inspect the damaged hose or component. Replacing cracked hoses, tightening loose fittings, or changing faulty intake manifold gaskets and positive crankcase ventilation valves will fix the problem. Don't forget to check the brake booster as well, since vacuum leaks there can make your brake pedal feel harder to press. Fixing these leaks restores engine idle stability, improves fuel efficiency, and keeps your truck running smoothly. Following these steps makes diagnosing a hissing vacuum leak straightforward and effective, helping you keep your truck in top shape.